Ariana, what do you want to say to Mommy? Do you love your mommy? No. No?
I did a picture?
Yeah, you drew a picture for Mommy.
Yeah, the woman went today.
You love your mommy? Do you want Mommy to come home? Yeah. Aiden, do you love your mommy?
No.
No? It's not very nice.
Yeah!
Yeah, you love your mommy? Or yeah, it's not very nice?
Yeah!
Okay. Wave to Mommy, okay? Wave to Mommy. Mommy's gonna watch this video. Aiden, wave to Mommy.
Mommy, come on!
Yeah, we want Mommy to come home too. Say bye.
Bye!
Bye.